Okay, hi, today we're gonna make a tiramisu cake. So first we'll need eggs, 6 eggs, and we will need 3/4 cup sugar, and we will need ladyfingers. You can use as cookie biscuits, or you can use cookies. You can just use any cookie, but you can use it and you can make the cake for like vanilla cake and chop it and put it in. And we need mascarpone cheese, and we need coffee. You can use decaffeinated or caffeinated, and you can use it for the mixture to put your ice cookies in. You'll put the mascarpone cheese, and remember you have to freeze the mixer's top, the blender's top, and the cup. The mascarpone cheese. And use half. So you have to you can take as much as you can till it comes like smooth. I'm just taking it out. Till the mixture, when you mix it, it will come, right? You can put some, and then you can check how till it comes smooth. So I'm putting half of them. Put this aside, and now get another one. You have to crack it. Okay, so now you put the egg yolks here. Okay, now we're gonna beat the 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, that sugar is added to the egg yolks. Now you mix and mix. Okay, this is actually like a custard, but in Italian it's called a zippaglone. Use egg yolks, and then we're gonna mix it on the boiler. So. It's mixed, it's loading. Okay, it's very dangerous, calm. Now don't do it without your mom. Okay, now we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla in the batter, whatever you call that stuff. Mix, mix, mix. Put it back on the thing and mix it till it comes thick, yeah. Put the mascarpone cheese. Now we're gonna get this. Or you can earn a stiff peak on the cream. Everything should be really cold to get the stiff peak. That's why we froze this and this. And we put this in the refrigerator. Now our stiff peak is formed. Very stiff. Now add 1 tablespoon of decaffeinated for kids and caffeinated, whatever you want. But 1 tablespoon. And put it in 1 cup of water. Now this is hot water, and this is very much coffee. Okay, now we're gonna open our ice biscuits. Okay, now they're really yummy, so remember, don't tell your children to eat them because then they go and start eating more because you finish 2 packets like that. So then now, so then we get this, the S cookies, and put them in here. Oh, don't make sure it doesn't break. Okay, now next. Now here. Now you get them and you get them like this. You can set it any way you want. You can cut it too. I bet you I'm gonna cut it. So that's why I got a cutting board. Did I get a cutting board? Where did the cutting board go? Ha! It's in the washing now. I don't even know how it got in the washing. Actually, I know how it got in the washing. Okay, now we're gonna get a spatula. Get it like this. And now, then pour it on top of your ice cream. Just look at this. And look, if it comes to start breaking, it's okay. Because you don't have to care about that stuff because it'll all stick together. Not stick together, this thing will be like cream. So now you just have to dump it on top. Very big pan. I made it because I want to eat more. Now this is how it looks. And now you have to spray it. And now you have to decorate it as much as you like. You can put anything on top, like chocolate chips. You can put one more cookie, like for, and then you can put coffee, and you can put cocoa powder, and so you can put anything. Some coffee. Sprinkle some coffee. Chocolate chips. Yeah. Mine's a little loud actually, so you just do it. So it's all nice. Now you can put this. This is cocoa powder. So you put it there. And now I'm gonna do one more thing. Yay. Grand finale. La la la. It looks delicious. It looks very, very yummy with those S cookies on top. You can choose any discretion, I told you. Decorations. And now it's time for eating. Okay, now for the best part of the tiramisu cake is to eat it. Yummy. Yum yum. Here's a bit of cream. Okay, I feel it's too much. Okay, now what makes this one special is it has egg yolks that makes it more custardy taste. Some recipes have just whipped cream, but this one's special because it has a custardy taste. We found this one more yummy.